leyo nto leyo njengoba silana nje bafowethu ngifuna uqamba amanga lento itabane ithanda attention engenangqondo lento ayikho asinankinga nazo ziyadla kwamayemaye ziyadunusa ziyachama zenzani asinankinga noma ngabe zingalalana ubusuku nemini kunuka isihlama udu asinendaba kodwa esibalekile abangasondeli entweni eyinkolo yethu neyimpepho yethu neusiko impilo lwethu siyabathanda abangabafowethu asihlangana nabemcimbini basishiyela ngama makeup la siyochaza kubafazi ukuthi no it was not hey it was him who is hey as drop it oh goes
Ngonyaka ophelile kwashada abanye obhuti ababili ababelonga kwi-LGBTQI+ community le uSkim GP ayibiza ngealphabet community. Emveni emshadweni wabo ngesikhathi beshada babefaka imvunulo le yamakhosi. Ngoba phela imvunulo la yehlukile babefaka ingwe yodwa le yamakhosi. Lokho kwenza ukuthi ungizwe ke agxeke ke lokushada kwabo. Emveni kokugxeka kwakhe wabahlasela impela wathi abakwazi ukuthi bangathatha imvunulo yesilo ngoba ngokosiko lakwaZulu inkosi kuphela enelungelo lokuvunula ngengwe ikakhulukazi ibheshu kuza amambatha nokunye kodwa nje inkosi kufanele ivunule ngengwe manje abakwazi ukuthi benzo into engamanyala amazi kwangizwe la ukuthi abakwazi ukuthi benze into engamanyala bese bethatha imvunulo kaZulu beshada ngayo. Kwaba khona ukukhuluma okuningi ke ku social media okwazi kwaholela ekuthenini i-Human Rights Commission ifaka icala. Emveni kokufaka icala kwathi ungizwe akaxolise. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi akazange azaxolise yena ngiyakhumbula ngamgcina ngaxolisanga.
Indodelana nento indoda amanyala okugcina ke lawo nisibangela ubuphezwe nisibangela inkinga zokugcina nalomgodoyo usomizi yabo lo somizi qoqa isizwe sakho uphume nasona eSouth Africa sizomcwasa bukhoma ke manje ke sizomcwasa bukhoma weyitabani wezinja wemgodoyi uSwetgolova ethu imvunulo iyo yonke into igugu la kwaZulu jikelele lo mgodoyi wesitabani asifune ngisho inhlawulo kodwa simfisela nje ke ubhubhane ukuthi azokwazi ukuthi ke lesi sitabani sithatha imvunulo iphelele kwaZulu inja nje lento edeserve ukuboshwa.
Dala lama video ngenzela ukukukhumbuza ukuthi yini le engakayishilo ngoba wayesekhuluma mhlambe la okwesithathu noma okwesibili ekhuluma nje ngalolu daba udaba lalumcasule kakhulu la ungizwe njengoba ayikhuluma la ngiyezwa dabeni lwe Human Rights Commission ngoba ibhala incwadi ngathi musenkantolo futhi kodwa sizozwa ke statement lesi ukuthi inhloso yabo yini njengoba bebhale istatement
uthi awayeke namagezi ukuthi wona afuna ukuba always right ma ube wrong wabona ukuthi la exigerile ube nema uphangile uphanga ke insaso wadakwa insaso osoka lapho wangena elawini ongafanele ungene kulona izinto fanele sicubungule lezo sizamukele ke bengakwazi ukuthi belwisane nazo.
Emveni kokuba sekuphuma umyalelo wokuthi akaxoliseke angazi mawuphuma ku-Human Rights Commission noma waphumaphi ukuthi akaxolise akazange ungizwa zazihluphe ngokuxolisa kunalokho waphinde wenze enye ivideo ekhuluma nenhlaka production ukuthi yena angeke azaxolise kuleyo video leyo wakhuluma kanje
bese niyanginyanyisa niyangidakelwa inini intatheli niyangidakelwa kanye ne-Human Rights Commission niyangidakelwa ngoba mina even ngisho kuma podcast that it happens that I had interviews with ngichaze konke ayisekho into enjengophinde ngichaze mina ngikwazi ukukhanda umlando omusha kwaZulu ukuthi uZulu waguqa waguqela ihlama ngangiguqa mina guqela ihlama mina angisoze ngayize ngayo nto leyo ngiguqe mina ngiguqela ihlama ngitaka nje ngesela ngiguqela ihlama ngoba leyo nto leyo i-wrong ngoba koqala lokho kwesibili ku-cringe indaba ye-Human Rights Commission lokuthiwa i-Human Rights Commission I don't know whether it's a fake news or real news yabona oqala into engizoyisho mina indaba ye-Human Rights Commission kumina does not exist yabona ngoba ama-wing akhandwayo by our government and by our 16 ekhona ekhandela nje ukuthi kube khona izinje nje eholayo kuthiwa zingo commissioner noma kuthiwa zingababheki yabona ama ambulance mina I can't respond to an ambulance lekujana attitude yabona so indaba yabantu abama ambulance abaqhamuka basekonakele bathini bona ngelungelo lenkolo bathini bona balungelo leculture bathini bona ngelungelo lemvunulo. They are not saying anything. All their rationale is to me is to apologize for what? For being right, for protecting my own. Iyiphi ithermometer noma irula noma lokujana imicroscope abayisebenzisile ukukala ukuthi mina as a normal ordinary citizen of the country ngizwe umlando wamkhulu the president of the Pinga Nation ukuthi mina lokho engikukhulumile kudala umonakalo yangizongithini yabo. So I don't entertain nonsense. They will never hear me apologizing, and I will never apologize, and I will die rather than to bow for Islam, for dot, for rubbish.
Phila kwi South Africa ebuswa ngumthetho okuyi constitution, and siphila kwi South Africa ekufanele sihloniphe amalungelo abanye abantu. Ngakhathalekile ukuthi wena uyahambelana nabo noma awuhambelani nabo, kodwa ngoba siphila nabo la eSouth Africa kufanele ukuhloniphe lokho. Ukuthi wena ufila kanjani ngabo akusho lokuthi funeka lawo bantu bacwase, ngoba baphile eSouth Africa ebarecognizeayo njengabantu futhi abanamalungelo, kufanele kuhlonishwe lokho, ikakhulukazi mawumholi. Ungizwe uthi umholi wamabhinca noma ngingathi uthi umholi wamabhinca. Umholi wamabhinca uhola abantu inhlobo ezehlukahlukene, abakholelwe ezintweni ezehlukahlukene. Abanye babo ababelonga kuwo lama community lawo LGBTQI+, abanye ba straight, abanye abekho straight. Bonke lawo bantu labo ungumholi wabo. Kodwa uma yena njengomholi ezekukhona igroup angahambisani nayo, la emthethweni wase South Africa kukhona la kushayisa khona. Njengoba ngisho mina ukuthi akukhathalekile ukuthi wena ucabangani ngabantu abangama-gays nama-lesbian, akukhathalekile ukuthi wena ucabangani, kodwa kubalulekile ukuthi umthetho wase South Africa uyaba-recognize as abantu futhi banamalungelo, nalento abayiyo banelungelo lokuba yiyo. Yingakho kungizwe kwakuthiwa kaxolise, ngoba noma ngathiwa ngiyakhumbula ukuthi beziphendulela bona bathi noma ngathi uyabona konakele. Okokuqala bona abanye babengazi ukuthi imvunulo yehlukene, khona imvunulo yamakhosi, khona imvunulo egqokwa abantu nje, abantukazana abafana nathi. Bathi bona babengakwazi, kodwa uma ubona into wrong yiba nendlela phela yokuyi-addressa njengomuntu oyi-leader. Uyi-addresse nje bazokuzwa, ni-engage nabantu besiyalungiseka loo nto leyo, kunokuthi ugcine kuney'nhlamba nokuqophisana kwamagama. Njengoba baze bathatha udaba balusa ke-Human Rights Commission, yayisikhipha umyalelo ukuthi ungizwe akaxolise, njengoba umzwileke ezikhulumela ukuthi yena ngeke azaxolise, yena ngeke azakhothamela isihlamba. Amazwi akhe lawa ngazi ke ukuthi usho ukuthini ngaleyo nkulumo. Asifunde ke statement esikhishwe i-Human Rights Commission ngoba ngathi ithatha ungizwe embuyisele enkantolo. Statement isiphume nge-15 zika June 2026. Sifundeka kanje: The South African Human Rights Commission, together with Transhope and the Hate Crime Working Group, represented by Lawyers for Human Rights, will appear in the Johannesburg High Court on Friday, 19 June 2026, in a matter concerning statements made by Mr. Ngizwe Mchunu against members of the lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer, questioning, intersex, and asexual, aromantic plus community. The Commission has taken this step in line with its constitutional mandate to promote, protect, and monitor the observance of human rights in South Africa. The case arises from comments that Commission believes amount to hate speech and incitement, which undermine the dignity, equality, and safety of the LGBTQI plus persons. The Commission stands in solidarity with the LGBTQI plus community. The Commission reiterates that all people in South Africa are entitled to live free from discrimination, prejudice, and violence as enriched in the Constitution. Hate speech targeting individuals or groups on the basis of their sexual orientation or gender identity has no place in the democratic society. It exposes victim groups to further marginalized, erodes social cohesion, and is often linked to incitement to violence. The Commission is particularly concerned when such harmful rhetoric is propagated by individuals who hold public influence. Public figures bear a heightened responsibility to uphold constitutional values, including respect for diversity, human dignity, and social cohesion. Statements that incite hatred or perpetuate stigma risk normalizing discrimination and can contribute to real-world harm against vulnerable communities. This matter takes place during Pride Month, a period of deep significance for LGBTQI plus persons globally and in South Africa. Pride Month is both a celebration of identity and a reminder of the continued struggle for full equality and acceptance. The Commissions welcome the opportunity for this matter to be adjudicated during this important time, as it underscores the urgency of confronting discrimination and affirming the rights of LGBTQI plus individuals. The Commission remains committed to holding all who violate other rights through hate speech accountability, irrespective of their status. The Commission will continue to work collaboratively with civil society partners to advance equality, prevent discrimination, and strengthen a culture of human rights across the country. Ngobuzwa ukuthi selokhu ngizwe bakhuluma naye wayalela ukuthi akaxolise udaba manje inaliqala kuyenkantolo. Into enhle ke ngenkantolo ile ukuthi ungizwe uzonikwa ithuba lokuthi a-present icase yakhe. Nansi into enhle ukuthi naye uzonikwa ithuba lokuthi akhiphe obakhe ubufakazi, asho yonke into afuna ukuyisho, abeke nezathu zakhe, nalabo abammangalele babeke izathu zabo, bese kugcineni kosuku inkantolo kube yiyona enqumayo ukuthi isiphi isinqumo esithathayo mayelana nalolu daba. Kodwa njengoba ngishilo ekuqaleni, siphila kwi-constitutional democracy la eSouth Africa, lapho kufanele khona sihloniphe amalungelo abanye abantu ngokwe-constitution, kungakhathalekile ukuthi wena uzizwa kanjani ngendlela abayiyo nangendlela abaziphethe ngayo. Kodwa kufuneka uwahloniphe amalungelo wabo ngoba banamalungelo, bangabantu abasemthethweni. Ngiyazi ukuthi uma sikhuluma ngodaba olunje, abantu babeka usiko phambili, abantu babeka inkolo phambili, abantu futhi baphinde babeke bagxeke i-Human Rights Commission. Kodwa ke njengoba ngishilo ukuthi siphila kwi-constitutional democracy, ithini i-constitution ngalabantu? Kukhona ngeke ngakhuluma naye masikhuluma lona lolu daba kulesi sikhathi esedlule, ethi ayi wasibulala uThabo Mbeki, into inkantolo eyathatha isinqumo. Inkantolo eyathatha isinqumo yathi labantu ba-recognize basemthethweni la eSouth Africa, ukuthi ngoba ngaleso sikhathi umongameli wayehleli noma wayebuso kwakuwu-former president uThabo Mbeki, nanoma kwakuthiwa kwakuphethe u-former president uJacob Zuma. Ngoba siphila kwi-constitutional democracy, inkantolo iyona enezi lokugcina, nakuye bebengaphasa labantu, benkantolo mayisithe labantu basemthethweni babezoba semthethweni.